Good morning guys! Ayan, nasa maulan tayo nga jeep ko, subong. Ayan, nagjo-journey na naman tayo dito sa karagatan. Karagatan na maulan. Bang, bang. So, yan yung outfit natin today. Nakapulos. Kasi nga maulan.
This is the life of the farmers in the fish pen. So if there is raining, their pump boat is stuck. They don't go catch fish, catch crabs, and also shrimps because the level of the water also is higher. So it's difficult for them to get their food and then to get their fishes to sell and then for them to supply every day also. So it's hard.
They're stuck because of the rain. So, yun. Welcome home again.
So we have this kind of fish that live in this area. So we feed them, we let them grow big, and then we can sell it into the market to make money. But you need to provide foods every day to make them bigger.
Waya puta ng tail ko ba?
Mawala to usang badawat ka.
Diway na na ginatapak?
Pakikita mo na nga ginaplan sa palamo na kami. Oh, Ismail na tayo!
Ismail Perte Ismail nila kahit ginatugdawan na sila Guys, Ismail man Japon
Ismail lang? Ano? Kung nga po kasong Ismail?
Muged. Smile lang bala, be happy no. Kahit mabudlay ang obra, kahit gainulan, sige Nagsakit ko no ang ano ni Melko. Ang iyang tiyan. Ano nagsakit, tiyan o puso? Puson gali. Lain-lain ang ginano ni Melko ya. Lain ginabatsyag ni Melko gali. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tirin-tirin na sila. Smile! Sige lang. Pwerte obra nila.
Sa piyak dia ni o. Ama na si Giyo ni Giyo. Kamu yang wah, yung mga kabalan ng matugaw ya.
Kuha! Stress nila! Kahit matugnaw na sige man Japon bang rest. Oh. Madalom ang tubig subong. See?
Guys, look at that. The force of the water is so strong. And then they destroy the side of that pond. Then the soil will go through. So we need to work this so that it prevent.
Yan ang vegetable daw. Green vegetable for our fish soup or just stir fry with the garlic and some of the oyster sauce. Tapos, nay na.
Kano?
Oh, isang kuwali na. Pasayan kayo dyan. So, ang sarap-sarap naman ito. Oh.
So we're back, and this is the end of our journey for today after visited the
Wow!
because the level of the water today is very high, and then some of that soil or the walking area in that fish pan is destroyed by the high level of water.
Nahulog pa ito, bandok.
Narito ka manyanan. Medyo yung pekaw tayo.
Way nabutan.
On the way back home.
Way, naabot ang nahulog siya.